रघुनाथानितं तं सजीवं सदयितं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सगुणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितान् च परं ब्रह्मादिगौरयदवतरणयो निवासी नीलाद्रौ नीतचरणानन्दशिरसि हर्षानन्दीराधा सरस्वपुरालिङ्गं सुखो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपरिधान श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सबसे फास्ट ऑफ ऑल I offer my respectful obeisance to all our Guru Vargas, all Parampara Acharyas, and Bhagavad Rashika, Paramahansa, Vaishnavas. I again and again beg the Father's mercy and present our this meeting. पूज्यपाद भक्ति सर्वस्व गोविंद महाराज, I offer my Dandavat Pranam, and all Thiruvandipadas who are present here, and all present Brahmacharis, Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, and all Dhamavashi and the Radha Kunda Nivashi, all Vaishnavas, also all inhabitants of Sri Radha Kunda Govardhan, Brajadham, these dustas can give this answer what we are discussing. This dust
can give
only this answer. In Bhagavatam, in the last ultimate essential, this bhava, how one should get, Uddhava told this, not I am saying this. No? So, if such न तथा में प्रियतमो आत्मजोनि न शंकर न शंकरषण न श्री नैव आत्मा जो जत्था भगवान भगवत बचा भगवान इसको इतना सम्मान दे के प्रियतम बोल के सबको किया है और उनको भेजा इंग्लिश सो भगवान सेंट टू Uddhav and he stay here and he understood, he pray them विरहीण महाभागा महान में अनुग्रह
के द्वारा
सर्वात्म भाव अधिकृतो भवती नाम अधोख्य जी. His verses there, and ultimately he pray the dust. I can be a plant or a creeper, then by the heat dust I can be able to understand, to release this bhav. So, if such inconceivable for us, so how we can speak by language? Myself, they are qualified because they have Guru Vaishnava's service, by the Guru Vaishnava's mercy, they are the great fortune of their past life. So they occupied here and they possessed here and ashrams here, and they are qualified here. I am moving like Imrachas Javan, this, that, and I am not qualified to be sit here by our Siddhampur's mercy. We came to get little darshan here to us. Still I am fortunate to sit with them and hear these topics, which that is coming from the core of the heart. Maharaj already spoke, explained Mahabhava, Rasaraja Mahabhava, and in the Nibruta Nikunja. This is most secret of Radha Krishna's Leela. But this topic Maharaj told in Satsanga, it should be discussed. Otherwise, the external what is necessary if we cannot hear our worshipable deities, some pastimes, secret pastimes which is coming from our Goswamis. That is most respectful, and his heart and his mercy come out by his lotus mouth. But Madhusudana Maharaj's question, without villain and hero, how rasa se come? Two parties must be there. So Radharani, who knows if Chandravadi is not there? It's both necessary to bring the rasa. Rasa means come, joy, how need to crash in. Otherwise, churning, otherwise how it come? Rasa, this is Rasa Siddhanta. So Madhusudana Maharaj became grander and he is now putting grinding. I am an ingredient there. So Maharaj told about Brahma, Jivas, and about all Jivas, how they can qualify to understand this and to attain there. Actually, my consideration about Brahma and Paramatma, about Bhagavan, there he told, Vadanti tattata vidaha tattvam jaja jnanam advayam brahmetvi paramatmeti bhagavani iti shabdate by sound, but not real.
In reality, it is one.
Reality is advaya. We can say Maharaj is Rasika here. Advaya means two us. Two also means A. You and two O became together, became A. A means Radharani. This all Advaya. Advaya means Nadvaya. Advaya means two us. Not Nadvaya. It's not Tattva not applicable here. Advaya means two us. Two us means first Akaranam. Akharanam Okar Osmi. So another means to his Alhadini Shakti Radharani. In Brahmavaivarta Purana, everything comes from them too. Brahma is Narayana, Mahavishnu, Karanadhaya Sai, Khiraddi Sai, and all the Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, all the male Purusha Tattva, and all Prakriti Tattva came from Radharani, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Gayatri, Ori, everything comes from Radharani. So if we go to ultimately what is in this material condition, even plants, trees and animals and other creatures, by both together, this creation is going on. This creation is also, according to our Siddhanta, this is Leela. Srishti Leela. Janamadasya jataha. Kasmat janamadasya param satya. Satya param dhimahi. Satya param satya से ही जन्म हुआ है ये. मिथ्या से कोई जन्म हो सकता है क्या? तो बाई फॉल्स नो नथिंग इज क्रिएशन. आवर सिद्धांत सत्यं परम धीमहि. सत्यं परम जन्मादस्य जतः. कस्मात् जन्मादस्य सत्यं परम. परम सत्य. कहाँ परम सत्य? सत्य सत्यव्रतं सत्य परम त्रिसत्यम सत्यजन्य सत्य प्रतिष्ठित कृष्णं सत्य कृष्ण प्रतिष्ठित सप्तचित आनंदमय सच्चिदानंदमय. तो सत्य है. If it is सत्य, if it is absolute truth, then सत्य जन्म आदि लीला सृष्टि लीला also the creation is, nothing is except Satya. If we go to Advaita Tattva, if he is the cause of all causes, then there is no other thing or other any object to come to creation. It comes from him. Therefore, here also, Vaikunthat Janita Para Madhukuri. It is also became famous and superior from Vaikuntha. And Jayati Te Dhikam Janamana Braja Srayata Indira Janamana Braja. Why he Janama? He took Janma here. Because here also something important here. Leela. This Leela he cannot perform there. Therefore he came here to perform here. This Viraha Leela he cannot enjoy there. Therefore he make his plan, pre-plan to come here. He make pre-plan in Golok. Like Jaya Vijaya, how he came, he made this plan. He brought Chatusana, he brought, then he cast away them. He is Leela Purushottam, he want to Leela. Leela means enjoying, means drama and movie like a film. He is a hero, he must be hero come and heroine come and villains come, otherwise how does he go on Leela? So this is our Upasana is Leela. Bhakti means Leela. And who are Brahmavadis, Jnanis, Yogis, they cannot understand this because Bahunang Janamana Mante Jnanavanamang Prapadyante. How they are explaining about Brahma, that is according to their philosophy. But this is not true. That is Shabda. Shabdyate, not true. What is this? Raso Vaishaha.
Brahma is Krishna.
Param Brahma. Janamitram. Paramanandam Purna Brahma Sanatanam. Paramanandam Purna Brahma Sanatanam Jan Mitram. Jasyap Mitram. Jaisang Mitram. So Mitra. Brahma how become Mitra? He has no farm, nothing there. We bring their philosophy. This is also one type of part of Leela. That is also necessary. Everything is part of Leela. Radha Krishna cannot be alone. I now go to Maharaj. Cannot go to Nikunja alone. No.
No.
Cannot be Leela and alone.
Thank you.
Sakhi Pranaya Sadagandha. Without Sakhis, how this creeper will bring the flowers and the smells and perfume and fruit will come? That is also dependent to Sakhis. Sakhitara Pushpa Pata. Sakhi, they organize, they enjoy. Also, the Asisi Sakhis all in according Leela, there everything have a position. Demons have a position. Without demons, Leela cannot be complete. Cannot be Rasaka.
Yes.
This is, we are Leela Upasaka and Bhakti. Leela means Rasa. That is Rasa. Rasa comes by this Leela. So, Brahma is also part there. Everybody have a part. Everything is Leela. Adhyapyo se Leela. Kare Guraraya. Kono kono bhagyavan. Dekhi varipaya. Now also it is continuing. It is going on. But we have to see with our such vision, such concept, such our realization. Then without Krishna, without Radharani, Jaha netra padeta Ishtadeva Spurti. Jaha is nothing that this or that. Jaha, everywhere. So this is our Uttam Bhagavatas, pure devotions, vision, Khang Vayu Agni Salidang Mahincha ज्योतिंसि दीर्घानि दिशो द्रुमाजिन् सरित्र समुद्रांच हरे शरीरम जतकिंच भूतम प्रणमेत अनन्यः. This is Uttama Bhagavata's quality, their realization. Not here, it is written actually Shantarasa. If we go to little deep, Eho Bayo Age Kavar, then go to Age Kavar, then go to more Age Kavar, then come more deep, which Maharaj disclosed this to bring. So without such complete our Rasa Siddhanta and Rasa Vichara, discrimination about this. Rasa means Ananda. Sarvanandamayam Mukunda Daitam Leelanukulam. Everything is Leelanukulam. Brahma also Leelanukulam. No? If there is a Brahma, if Rishis will be not there, then who will give benediction to Krishna and Radharani? This is part of Leela. They are servicing. If you go to Narada went to see Krishna one moment, he will, same tithi, same lagna, he will marry 16,000. Then he went to see. When he entered there, Krishna came, oh, our Grihastha life, household life became success. Come, Narada, come, please, benediction, give benediction to us. What is he going? Narada is going, may I worshipful God, he is coming and clean my feet and putting his head, and he told my household life became success. Then next house he went, the same thing happening. They bewildered. They lost their intelligence by their mystic power. Naradas, Muktas, Siddhas, Narada avatar. What about others? Yes. Maharaj told order to Narada, you preach about Radha. But Narada could not. Narada became Srivas in Mahaprabhu's Leela. Then in Puri, when Mahaprabhu and Sarupa Damodara and others, they see about Lakshmi and how Lakshmi's their
Majesty
going on this Leela. Then Mahaprabhu told, Srivas is Narada, he was opulence, Aishwarija. But Sarupa Damodar, he is Radharani's Madhurija. He refined it there. So Narada's position also disclosed there, order there. But this Radha Krishna show, this rasas only can Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's, his followers Rupa Goswami and Rupanuga. And Rupanuga is not mentioned in scriptures. Raganuga, Ragatmika, Kamanuga, Kamatmika. Rupanuga, where we get?
After Prabhupada.
Huh?
After Prabhupada.
No? Raghunath Das Goswami. He told Rupanuga is Manasikha last verse. Manaha Sikha Dekadasa Kavara Metana Madhuraya Gira Gayatu Chehi Sarvartha Tatigataha Sikhadaha Sarupанugahya Bhajana Gokulavani Braja Radha Krishna Sevalavati. Rupanugahya Bhajana Gokulavani, it is told by Raghunath Das Goswami. Then come Rupanugahya, the Sabda, the sound, the word come from him. So without Raghunath Das Goswami, you cannot understand. He explained, he told this. So where is Rasa Siddhanta about Nikunja, where Maharaj put this question about the Brahma Kapadya Tirvan, it became distressed.
No, this is not distress.
Where is you are about MA degree philosophical, MPhil and PhD course, where is the course about Brahma, who are there? So give me another question.
Brahma is signing also.
No, this question was
Brahma is also signing in the cottage of Radha. Bodhuti Vitang Brahma.
No Brahma, there is Param Brahma. No this Brahma.
Brahma Gopala Vesa.
Gopala from Param Brahma.
That was appear, the question appear was the cause of Maharaj saying this is the all jivas, that ultimate fruit, ultimate goal. That's why I told.
Yes,
How can
yes. Without Leela, nothing is there. He created for Leela. Why he created? Eko Bahusyam. Why? For Leela. Up to Leela, everyone they say Neti, Neti, Upanishad say Neti, 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 Neti. When came Rasho Vaisaha, Sarvanandamayam Mukunda Daitam Leelanukulam Iti. No more Neti. Complete there. There is no other forward discussion there. But after that Leela, Neti, this is not, go on.
Go on.
Forward. And when came Leela, iti there. So when we are discussing about Leela, Niti, actually Bhakti is Leela Shakti. Yoga Maya Shakti. Bhakti is Leela Shakti. Otherwise, no one can know. What are you saying about Mathura Krishna, Vrindavan Krishna, Dwarka Krishna? You are crazy people, they can say this. Who has not entered this bhava, rasa, all this Rupa Goswami's description about Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and in Ujjala Nilamani, how they can understand this? They cannot understand. Who are in outside, how they can understand the inside what is happening inside the house if they are out of door. Saying this is his family. This is his family. Among this family, devotees are his family. His home department, if we say another. Other are administrative, others in the outside. Many departments there. But this is your home, his family. Okay, president is there. President when he is coming, collector, governor and all the ministers, everyone there give respect to many. He cannot move without many military. When he entered to his house, he is maybe his grandson, maybe daughter as their child there, he and anyone. They never respect, he is a president. He is my grandfather and he is playing this. This is the Gaudiya Mata Mahaprabhu says given. His Parshadasa, his entry to serve in his Nikunja, Bruta Nikunja Seva. Who can enter there? In Rasalila, no one is able to enter. Lord Shiva cannot be able to enter there. What about others? Brahma is not. Lakshmi Devi Sakyat, she also could not be able to enter there.
even Vishnu, now you are saying it.
Yes.
If they cannot enter there in the Rasalila, the autumn Rasalila, Sharatya Rasalila, it was general. If you go to Vasanta Rasalila, in Nibruta Nikunja Rasalila, what about others? Not all gopis enter there. There is separate group, separate kunja, separate group there. Other group cannot enter there. But Rasalila was the general. Still, no one able to enter there. So, if we bring the point to discuss about most secret and inconceivable and only ashwadanya, not discussable. Not this is not under discussion, not question answer. No parapaksha pratipaksha sangati, not applicable there. That is before, that is outside, external. External.
We are external now. No? I am.
But yeah, we
For that reason,
but we are, because everything is Leela is part. Already I told this. Everything is part. Demons also part. Without demons also Leela.
Yes. For Birra's purpose. For Veer Rasa.
Yes.
So Radha Kund, for Radha Kund purpose, there
Radha
there is
Kunda, when first Radha Kunda appeared, Radha Kunda is eternal.
Yeah.
When he appeared, how he appeared? How he Radha Kunda appeared? Brushava, Danuja, Nasa.
Nasan.
There is
Narmo
also-
Dharma Tirangoi.
That is after. First,
Vishwabhadra.
demon, Danuja, Danava came. Without Danava, how we can believe that?
Yes, everything is in the
And next verse, Murari. You see, Mura demon came. So without demons, demons have power to fighting with Krishna. Who we can fight? These weak persons can fight him. Also they are. Jai Vijay came for that. Then he put everything, all the demigods, sun, moon, fire, everything they put in jail. Then fire could not burn, water could not do anything. They can destroy this universe, but they cannot do them. So this is only no argument here, no question answer, no question. Only Savajatiya Rasasnigidhehi, who are the qualified to enter there. Bhakti nirdhuta doshanam prasanno jalachetasam Sri Bhagavataraptanam Rashika Sangaranginam
Govind Jivani Bhuto.
Jivani Bhuta Govinda
Govinda
Pada
Pada
Sukha
Sukha
Seva Prasanno Jalachetasam Ujjala Chetasam Prasanna Ujjala Chetasam. One word to explain.
is this time.
Vishwanath Chakravarti, Thakur, Baladev Vidyabhushan, all they have given commentaries there. And scripture is theory. By discussion, cannot also enjoy this, cannot taste this. When we apply in our practical life, then we will understand real Shastra. Na sabha Shastra sulabham yasya hrudi na vidyate. Whenever it is not come to our realization, discussion is also
Not successful.
help, not successful. Discussion can intellectually, one can scholarly, they can discuss many points, bring to argument, all this. They became famous in this world. But when they will go to inside, then practice. Acharavana Purusho Veda.
Vedo.
Acharavana Purusha Veda, not only discussion. So, this Rasaraja Mahavava Maharaj put this satsanga, only discuss this Rasaraja Mahavava, and only in Nikunja, and only single Radha Krishna, I am saying no. Without Sakhis, no. Mahabha, ye told in Radharani's Swarupa, Ramananda explained there. Radhinija Mahasakti Sarvasakti Variyasi Tadabhava Sarvuipoyam Iti Tantre Pratisthita Mahabhava Jolo Chinta Ratno Bhavita Vigraham Sakhi Pranaya Sadagandha Baroda Vartana Suprabham. Radharani Swarupa is Sakhi Pranaya Sadagandha. Without Sakhi, how can be Lila?
Yes, yes.
सखी बिना ही लीला और पुष्टि नहीं
नहीं होयो देख सिद्धाम प्रो कन्फर्म होगी कम सिट हियर व्हाई यू सिटिंग देयर
Soki Lila Vistariya.
Sakhi Aspadaya. And we from Sakhis Dasi
Sakhi
Sakhis
Vina,
with our Guru
Nayan
Varga
Nirgati.
we can able to Nikunja Juno Rati Kedi Siddhi Jaja Livi Jukti Rapekshaniya Tatra Didakhyadati Vallavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam. By their channel, by their mercy, only we can receive from our Guru Vargas. Otherwise, only we are just like Paratu, we are speaking nothing else or something like that. Okay.
दामोदर महाराज बोलबे अपनी बोले ना
नहीं महाराज महाराज
श्रीराम